Alright, that sounds good. So what I gonna do is set up an audition for her so I can see what she can do.
What audition are right now?
I can show you something right now, you know. I like that. She alert and ready. Alright. Look at something. Let me back. Not bad. Tell her so she can move. That's good. But I want to tell you this. When me I'm gonna challenge you with, totally different from TikTok dancing. I'm ready for anything. Alright, so me and Miss Jen know when we gonna set up the audition for you and we will talk. You ready?
Born ready. Alright, I can go back into the bar.
No problem, Auntie. Nice to meet you, Miss Brissette.
Nice to meet you too, darling.
I like her. I like her spirit.
Yeah, she have a very nice personality and the customer them love her very much.
But Jen, if me get her into the program and she start working with me, that not will hinder her with yourself?
Nope, absolutely not. You not like it, nobody you know, honey. She need the time off to go do what she needs to do as long as I need. We give her as much as she needs.
I appreciate that. I really respect that. But there's something else I come to talk to you about still.
I know you know about dance program.
What going with you and Radcliffe?
Nothing. There's no me at Radcliffe.
So him not come round since King come back?
Yeah, one time and him coming with him same little dirty ways then.
What him do? Wait. Now tell me say him make King know say him used to inner things.
Well, him never say it in so many words, you know. But him action give it away and you know King ain't no fool.
And him pick up on it. So what happened?
You mean after him go him gun and ready for go kill him?
Are really that one?
Yeah. But managed to calm him down and just tell him the truth about everything.
So how him take that? Him understand everything?
Him understand me. But me still I wonder if I'm gonna make any move off of Radcliffe.
May I beg you, talk to King. Tell him no trouble it. Just leave it alone. Or else it will be worse than the first time.
Me talk to him already, you know. So maybe you need to talk to him now.
I don't know if that go wise, you know, Jen. Because I'm not supposed to know about this. So, me want you beat it in him head and make him know.
Well, Bubbles, I just hope so Radcliffe and make the devil fool him, you know, and come back to my yard or come back to the bar. Because, as we know, him a do some work up at Hilltop and King know about it.
What have I upon Radcliffe, you know? Because we believe say he may have some shady dealings. And he might use the construction up near for cover it up. I just don't want King get involved. Bathroom open?
Yeah.
I come soon.
Oh, hello. Good day.
Hello, good day.
Let me guess. Blacks?
No, my name is Cheryl. How may I help you? Sir, you hear about a project we're going up at Hilltop? Where Radcliffe's supposed to be a part of? Miss Jen just tell me.
Nice and polite. Is Mr. Connolly here?
Oh, I'm sorry, he's not here today.
Okay, well, could I have a dragon, please?
Sure, I take a call.
A cold one.
No problem.
Wait, was that Miss Jet?
Yes.
Okay. How much is it again?
$400.
Oh. Right. keep the change.
Thank you.
Miss long-standing community member, how are you?
Don't tell me. You leave all the way from up at the top of the hill and come down here to buy one dragon. No bar now up there. I'm pretty much sure it says bar up there. Plus, shop up there where sell dragon too, you know.
Well, I wasn't coming from that direction. I'm coming from that direction. And to tell you the truth, your dragon them always well cooked. So, I prefer to stop here.
That even make it worse. Cause the direction you say you're coming from, much more bars and shop there that way. You just love to be provoking.
Tell me something. Somebody tell you, say, my money counterfeit, but you don't want it.
It's not all money are good money. And some people, everywhere they go, trouble for nothing.
You know something? You see a new bartender? She's much more polite than you. You could learn a thing or two from her.
And she for polite, and she deal with the customer them.
Well, what I really came to talk to you about is to find out if...
Look at Wallace. You know I advise for my Josie.
King what?
Wagwan.
What a one. Yeah man, that's the point of it. I come to talk to you and I have some business to discuss, right?
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Pretty she love it. Yeah, man. Don't do that.
Me need to talk to you.
We can talk to you.
Let's proceed. Nice to see you. Is what? Something wrong?
You tell me. And when this happen? And when you and him turn big friend?
Him come by my office and we had a talk and decide to bury the hatchet.
Bury the hatchet. Interesting. The Carlton Wallace I know buried the hatchet with George Connolly.
Yes, babe. Just this why I say, as big man, I need to go sit down with him, apologize to him for what happened. And we take it from there.